Press the pause button to make sure you have read the warning and cautions carefully. The required tools for the next actions are a 5mm Allen wrench, a 17mm open-ended wrench, a 17mm closed-ended wrench, and a 7mm flathead screwdriver. Turn off the main electrical breaker to the projector. Remove the projector cover to the lamp house compartment. Loosen all 3 spring-loaded captive bolts that lock the lamp house to the projector. Hold the lamp house by top and bottom handles at the rear of the lamp house and pull the lamp house out of the projector. Place the lamp house on a stable surface. Ensure that all protective gear is currently being worn. This includes the welder's jacket, the face shield, and the lint-free protective gloves. Use a 5mm Allen wrench to remove the cathode bolt that is located at the rear of the lamp house. Remove the side cover of the lamp house by loosening the retaining thumb screws and by lifting the cover off the lamp house. Reach into the projector and support the anode of the lamp. Remove the UV blocker by loosening 4 retaining thumb screws on the front of the cover. Then, pull the cover away from the lamp house. Slide the white anode socket up and out of its holder by pulling it straight up. Pull the lamp out of the lamp house while ensuring that the lamp comes out straight, does not hit the inside of the lamp house. Place the lamp into a protective lamp container or into a lamp cloth and secure it. Slide the upper part of the container over the lamp, or use the straps to tighten the lamp cloth to the lamp. Remove the anode cable from the anode socket by using the 2 17mm wrenches to loosen the locking nuts on the anode terminal. Remove the cathode adapter off the lamp by loosening the locking screw with a 5mm Allen wrench, and then by twisting the adapter counterclockwise until the adapter comes off. Replace the old xenon lamp with the new xenon lamp. Attach the cathode lamp adapter to the lamp by tightening the adapter clockwise until tension is felt. Once tension is felt, use a 5mm Allen wrench to tighten the locking screw on the adapter. For a DP1500 and DP2000, this is at 2.5 Newton-meter and at 5 Newton-meter for a DP3000. Attach the anode cable of the lamp to the anode socket by using the 2 17mm wrenches to tighten the locking nuts on the anode terminal. For a DP1500 and DP2000, this is at 9 Newton-meter and at 25 Newton-meter for a DP3000. As a checkup, use the 2 17mm wrenches to tighten the cathode cable to the lamp house. For a DP1500 and DP2000, this is at 9 Newton-meter and at 25 Newton-meter for a DP3000. Remove both straps from the lamp cloth. Or slide the upper part from the container off the lamp. Insert the lamp into the lamp house by lining up the lamp with the hole that the lamp came out of. Ensure that the anode cable is facing downwards. Slide the white anode socket down into its holder. While supporting the front of the lamp, replace the UV blocker onto the lamp house. Once the UV blocker is on, tighten the 4 retaining locking thumb screws to secure the blocker. Keep fingerprints off the UV blocker during this process. Remove the protective cloth from the lamp. Place the side cover back onto the lamp house and tighten the 2 retaining locking thumb screws to secure the side panel. Insert the cathode bolt back into the rear of the lamp house with a 5mm Allen wrench. For a DP1500 and DP2000, this is at 2.5 Newton meter and at 5 Newton meter for a DP3000. Hold the lamp house by the rear handles and insert into the projector. Ensure the lamp house is properly seated. Tighten all 3 spring-loaded captive bolts that lock the lamp house to the projector. Install the projector cover to the lamp house compartment. Reset the lamp type and lamp hours in the communicator software. See the communicator manual for more details.